I think software and software development is a growing field within Sweden and worldwide. Something unique about my program is that it's located at the Computer Science and Engineering department, which is a shared department between Gothenburg University and Chalmers. Having teachers from both universities giving us a quite good foundation in the theoretical part. And at the same time, we also have teachers from industry, which gives us a quite good insight how industry is working and what challenges we have to face and can expect outside. We're doing a lot of group work and assignment in groups and teams, which prepares us quite well to deal with different characters, with different personalities, to develop all together the best idea for a good solution. After the studies, I would like to work in a field where I can link both of my interests, my technical interests in software engineering and my interest in coordination and management.